Kids, it's Teacher here. Let's talk silly science. Today, boys and girls, we are going to talk about elements of the scientific method. 3 elements of the scientific method. In fact, we are going to talk about today, boys and girls, researching a topic. That's what scientists do. Planning an experiment and testing and wait a minute. Planning an experiment and testing the topic and conducting the experiment. Okay, I had to just get it all right because that's a lot, isn't it? A lot to do, absolutely. So today I think we will find a topic. I think we might do the topic on experimenting with dancing raisins. So that means that we have to do research on that topic of what kind of things might make raisins dance. And then we have to determine how to test it and then conduct our experiment. So the first thing we've got to do is to do the research is find some raisins and some different things to use, right? So I've done just that. I have raisins. Then I thought maybe we should try a soda pop. Sprite is fine. Yeah. And then I think we'll try some white vinegar. Then we'll try some regular old water, right? But wait a minute. How are we going to do this? We have to have something to do our experiment with. So I have these cups. And these cups are the very same cups. So we'll pour in about the same amount of each liquid. So we're using raisins and liquids today, okay? That's how we're going to do our experiment, okay? So let's do this. Let's try. I think we'll just do it just the way that we have it. Then we're going to get all our information. We've got our information and our topics and everything, right? So now what do we have to do? We have to plan the action to explore. And so I've got to pour my water. Yep, I did that. Oh, act like you don't see it. Act like you don't see it. Oh, that happens when you're doing experiments. You make a few... Okay, maybe is it going to soak in? Go away, water. Okay, that's water. And then we have to have vinegar. I know this. I smell the vinegar, boys and girls. I smell the vinegar, the white vinegar. And I'm going to pour it into the cup. About the same amount. Whew, yeah, it's got some kick to it. And then let me open our soda. And I'm going to pour it into it. Now, see, and while we're doing this experiment, we're also observing. And look at all those fizzies and fuzzes. So, will the water, the vinegar, or the Sprite make the raisins dance? I don't know. So we've just got to test it until we see what happens, right? So, and then we're going to conduct our experiment by placing the raisins inside of each liquid and seeing what happened. Now remember, we've also learned that one of our elements of scientific methods is also observations, right? So how about we just put, I love raisins. This makes me want to eat some. Let's put 3 raisins in each one and see what happens. Okay. Oop, I saw some bubbles. Whoops, I saw some bubbles there. Now what do you think is going to happen when they all go, wow, can you see that? There's lots of cool stuff. So the water did not make the raisins dance. The vinegar did not make the raisins dance. But look, they keep going up and down. So the soda pop is making them dance. I wonder what's happening. It looks like these bubbles, these air bubbles in the soda pop that is attaching themselves to the raisins, and it's making the raisin go up and down, up and down, up and down. I just want to see some more dance. What do you think? Okay, let's see. Oh, look up there. You see how you see that chemical reaction? Let's see what happens. Oh yeah, we got some dancing raisins in there. So the air bubbles did attach themselves when the raisins came down, but not in the vinegar, not so much. But in the Sprite, oh yeah, baby, we got some dancing raisins. So that's conducting our experiment. And then we do our observations and we make all of our little records. We record all the information and we find out what we found. We find out what happened and which one worked, right? So that's what we're doing with the elements of today of our scientific method of researching a topic, planning an experiment, and testing and conducting the experiment of the scientific method. So once you do this, I want you to try some other things at home too. You know, we're always trying different things. So if you have milk and you may have tea or something, or coffee, I want you to try some other things to do your experiment then. And why don't you take pictures or videos and send those to me at WKNO teacher@gmail.com. And if you just want to find out more about the scientific method, about dancing raisins, about any of these elements that we have here, then you can always do that at our resource page at pbslearningmedia.org. Yes, there's so much stuff there. I promise you, you will have fun going through that information, okay? And then I want to thank you for being here with us today on Silly Science. And I want to thank the International Paper Foundation for making our silly science experiments happen. So until next time, Teacher says bye-bye.